Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. Now it's turn for the subset Versatility. Let's dig into that. And yes, this is not limited to the outstanding. What I can also do is I can do a subset of anything. Of the pending queue, the final drill, I can mix whatever. It will be usually a big deal in the future. The longer your collection, the more concepts you have, it's very likely you will do more subset reviews or open search, something perhaps more illustrative that just is one specific kind of flashcards is memory. What do I have about memory? Let's say I want to learn about that. So I want to filter just topics I memorized. So something that perhaps I have read or not about memory. Here you go, 2488. Or perhaps I want some order by repetitions, something that I have already read. Not fully, but quite a lot. And I could start that. Because remember, a subset is not just the particular elements, the selection of those elements. It's also the order that this will be done. That I want the same as my sorting criteria, Control S, remember that. That I don't want anything else. So that's useful if I want more or less the same experience as my default sorting criteria, but only on this subset. I want to ignore the rest of the collection temporarily. That's all for now. See you in the next video.